Boss, paano hindi ma-pressure sa'yo ang girls? This is actually a good question, ano? Kasi marami sa ating mga lalaki na hindi nila napapansin nape-pressure na pala yung babaeng dinidate nila. And when this happens, women will naturally pull away from you. So isa sa mga big no-no dito, mga sigarilyo, para hindi ma-pressure ang mga babae sa inyo, wag nyo kasing ipapakilala kaagad sa mga magulang nyo o kaya sa mga relatives nyo. Bro, that is too much too soon. Most especially kung ilang weeks pa lang kayo nagde-date ng babae tapos ipapakilala mo kagad sa pamilya mo. This will actually put unnecessary pressure sa babae kasi it will communicate with the girl na gusto mo na siyang i-lock down sa isang relationship. Hindi pa nga kayo masyadong magkakilala, diba? So please stop doing that, sigarilyo. Ang isa pang big no-no dito ay yung nagpaplano na kayo kaagad sa future nyong dalawa. For example, you're dating this new girl and ang sinasabi mo sa kanya kaagad
alam mo, bagay siguro sa atin dalawang magtayo ng parisan business. Gayahin natin si Diwata. I'm sure yayaman tayo dun, babe.
Huwag ganon, sigarilyo. Kasi by doing this, again, the woman will think na you are too serious na kaagad sa kanya. And she will think na, shit, relationship kaagad yung iniisip niya, hindi pa nga kami ganung magkakilala. Lagi nyo kasing tatandaan, mga sigarilyo, no? Na women go out on dates with men with the mindset of, is he good enough for me? Let's see if things will go well with him. Tama ba yung lalaking ito para sa akin? Ngayon, kung babatuan mo kaagad siya ng mga bagay-bagay about your future together, naturally, mape-pressure si girl niyan. And 100% she will pull away from you, one way or the other. Another thing to avoid talking about is, and I guess this goes without saying na, about marriage. Wag na wag mong sasabihin sa kanila na,
alam mo, pag mag-asawa na tayo, gusto ko ng 86 na anak lang. Para one big happy family tayo. Alam mo, nag-iipon na ako ngayon para sa kasal natin. Meron ako ditong naipong 1.5.
Huwag ganon, sigarilyo. And another big no-no dito, mga sigarilyo, is of course, locking her down on a relationship. Yung tipong ikaw na mismo yung aggressive na nagsasabi sa kanila na, kailan mo ba ako sasagutin? Kailan ba tayo magiging tayo? Never say that prematurely, guys. Hintayin mo lang yung babae na magbigay sila ng subtle hints na gusto na nila makipag-exclusive sa inyo. Halimbawa, after months of dating, yung babae na mismo yung magsasabi na, saan ba papunta to? O hindi kaya tanungin nila, baka naman may iba ka pang dinedate dyan, ha? Gusto ko, ako lang dinedate mo. Ngayon, if the girl you're dating is already asking these types of questions, then all you have to do is ask a quality question back at her. Ask her like, what do you mean? Do you mean na you want to be exclusive with me na? Then of course, the girl will say yes. Because it's her idea. Kaya mga sigarilyo, don't do the things that I mentioned earlier sa mga babaeng dinedate nyo. Kasi mape-pressure lang yung mga babae sa inyo. Real talk yan. Instead, what you guys should do is to keep having fun, hang out, and hook up. Then when the time comes na magbigay na ng mga subtle hints yung mga babaeng dinedate nyo about you getting exclusive with them, ask her a quality question by saying, what do you mean? I also want to point out here, mga sigarilyo, no, na it's always better for women to think that they are more attracted to you than you are of them. Kung if you're asking her out to be in a relationship with you na kaagad, it will automatically communicate with the girl na mas gusto mo siya rather than the other way around. So yung may feel ngayon na babae is, she already won. And the thrill of the chase is already over na kaagad. Lagi niyong tatandaan, mga sigarilyo, na it's feminine energy to chase. They love chasing us, guys. Kahit na hindi nila aminin yon, that is the truth of the matter. Because women say differently to what they emotionally respond to. They love the thrill of the hunt. So the more they think how you really feel about them, the more they get crazy over you. It's a scientific fact that women are more attracted to men whose feelings are unclear. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo, sigarilyo, and follow for more. Meron na rin pala akong Instagram account and Facebook account. And of course, meron din ako YouTube account. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo doon. Links are in my bio.